Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you? Hope you are fine. May Allah increase your knowledge and bless you with health. Ameen. Arabic alphabets are also called Huroof al Hijaa. Huroof al Hijaa are 28 Arabic letters which are fundamental for learning Qur'an. You have learned that Arabic alphabets or Huroof al Hijaa have shapes and sounds. Shapes and sounds. Like ba has this shape and its sound is ba, ba. Sheen has this shape and its sound is sheen, sheen. I told you in lesson 1 that Huroof al Hijaa have half shapes. These are the half shapes of Huroof al Hijaa. All the half shapes of Arabic alphabets. Remember, few Arabic alphabets don't have proper half shapes. They just join or come in the words as they are. These Huroof al Hijaa are Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Waw, Ta, Dha. Today you will learn the rest of the half shapes of Huroof al Hijaa. Rest of Huroof al Hijaa have 3 types of shapes according to their positions. Starting or initial shape, middle or medial shape, end or final shape. Now we will learn full shapes and their half shapes of all the Arabic alphabets Huroof al Hijaa one by one. The first Arabic alphabet is Alif. This is the full shape of Alif and these are its half shapes. Remember, Alif does not have any half shape. It just join or come in the word as it is. This is the initial shape, this is the middle shape, and this is the final shape. Now comes the Ba family. The letters of this family are Ba, Ta, Sa. And you can see that the full shapes as well as their half shapes are same, except the dots. Ba has a dot under it, Ta has 2 dots on it, and Sa has 3 dots on it. Otherwise, their full shape and their half shapes are same. Ba, Ta, Sa. After the Ba family, Jim family comes. The letters in the Jim family are Jim, Ha, Ha. And as you can see that as they are families, so their full shapes as well as their half shapes are same, except the presence of dots. There is a dot in the Jim, there is no dot in Ha, and there is a dot on Ha. This is the Jim family. Here comes the family of Dal. Dal family consists of two letters, Dal and Zal. You can see a dot on Zal. Then comes the Ra family, and it consists of two letters, Ra, Za. You can see a dot on Za. Sometimes it also pronounced as Zai, Zai. And remember, these four letters don't have any specific half shape. They don't change their half shape. They remains the same. Here comes the family of Seen, and it consists of two members, Seen, Sheen. And as they are family members, their shape also remains the same, except the presence of dots, that Sheen has three dots on it. This is the family of Swad. Swad have two family members, Swad, Dwad. You can see their half shapes are same, except the presence of a dot which present on the Dwad. Otherwise, the initial shape, the middle shape, and the final shape are same. Here comes the Ta family. Ta, Za. You can see there is a dot on Za. And we have told you that Ta and Za don't have a proper half shape. After the Ta family, the family of Ain is here. Ain, Ghain. Their half and full shapes are same except the presence of dot. Ghain has a dot on it. Their half shapes are like same. Here is the family of Fa and Qaf. Fa has a one dot on it and Qaf has two dots on it. Letter Kaf. This is the full shape of Qaf, and it have three proper half shapes. This is the initial shape, this is the middle shape, and this is the final shape. Lam. This is the full shape of Lam, and it also has three proper half shapes. This is the starting shape, this is the middle shape, and this is the final shape. Alphabet Meme. This is the full shape of Meme, and these are its half shapes. It looked like in the start like this. This is the middle shape, and this is the final shape. This is the letter Noon. This is the full shape, and these are its half shapes. Noon also has three proper half shapes. This is the initial shape, this is middle, and this is the final shape. Here comes the letter Wow. Wow. The full shape of Wow is this, and as you know that Wow has no specific half shape. It just comes in the word as it is. These are all the half shapes. You can see it just look like the full shape of Wow. And when it comes in the words, this is the starting shape, this is the middle shape, and this is the end shape. And the sound is Wow. Letter Ha. Ha. Ha also have three proper shape. This is the starting shape, this is the middle shape, and this is the final shape. This is the letter Hamza. Hamza also does not have any specific half shape, because when a harkat comes on alif, we call it Hamza. So it changed its shape accordingly. Ya. Ya. This is the full shape of Ya, and these are its half shape. Ya also have three proper half shape. When it comes at the start of the word, it look like this. In the middle, it look like this. And at the end, it look like this. And it sound Ya. Ya. Sometimes it is also pronounced as Yai. Yai. Hope you understand today's lesson. Barakallahu feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.